According to Rawls, the two principles of justice which people would choose in the original position of equality behind the veil of ignorance are first, the what we call of greatest equal liberty principle, which says that each person is to have equal right to the most extensive basic liberty compatible with a similar liberty for others, where asserts where it asserts that people should have equal rights as any other individuals in the society, and it also makes sure that everyone has the most liberation possible without infringing on the freedom of others. The second principle, which are difference principle and equal opportunity principle, which says that social and economic inequalities are to be arranged so that they are both reasonably expected to be everyone's advantage and attached to positions and offices open to all. This says that economic system must be designed such that the disadvantaged members of society benefit more than they would in any other economic arrangement, or inequalities are unjustified unless they make the least advantaged better off. It also assures that all interested persons have equal access to and likelihood of acquiring certain resources such as jobs, housing, or education without discrimination based on irrelevant variables such as age, eth- ethnicity, religion, or gender. People in the original position of equality, according to Rawls, would not choose first the utilitarian principle, because utilitarian principle would be rejected in the position of equality, because according to utilitarianism, the most ethical decision is the one that results in the greatest good for the largest number of people. So what if you are a part of the minority? You are being oppressed and you are bound to trade off your fundamental rights and liberties for economic advantages, which does not sit well with the first principle of Rawls, the greatest equal liberty, because the majority infringe the rights and liberty of the minority. Second, the people in the original position of equality, according to Rawls, would not choose the libertarian principle or the as free market system as we have learned from the video provided in the module. Libertarians hold the view that everyone has the freedom to freely provide the products and services on the market, and that free market policies are the most successful in improving people's lives. However, for roles, individuals have uneven opportunities to access economic resources under the natural liberty system, because libertarianism does not guarantee that all citizens have adequate resources to exercise their essential freedoms, and it allows for disproportionate wealth and power disparities. Thus, it contradicts also the first principle of justice, according to Rawls. Third is the meritocratic principle. For Rawls, this is a fundamentally unjust because it benefits individuals based on their inherent qualities and abilities, which are allocated randomly and are not acquired. This creates enormous disparities since the individuals with more desired natural skills are compensated more than those with less desirable talents. Individuals with the most merit have the greater authority and resources, giving them an unfair edge in any trade. This contradicts the notion of voluntary exchange, as individuals with less quality are frequently bullied or pushed into unfavorable exchanges owing to a lack of authority and resources. And it also contradicts the principles of justice of John Rawls.